Hello dear subscribers, today I will tell you how you can fix your error. So if after you update your iPhone to iOS 14 you have errors with your Wi-Fi, so you can't use it. So first thing you need to check is just open the settings, and in the settings you need to find here Wi-Fi. So just turn off here and turn on again. So just reconnect to your Wi-Fi. So also you can try to click here on this blue icon and just try to forget this network. So just try to forget this network and just connect again by typing password to this Wi-Fi. And if it doesn't help you too, you can also try another way. So just go back to the settings and just go to the general. Just swipe up and just turn on airplane mode. Wait a few seconds and just turn it off. Also, you need to check your internet connection, so maybe you need to restart your Wi-Fi router. And if it doesn't help you too, you can also find here in the general shutdown, so just slide to power off, wait a few seconds and just power on your phone again. So if it doesn't help you, just go to reset here and just try to reset network settings. In the general you will find reset network settings, so just try to do it, and I hope that one of these methods will help you. So thanks for watching, have a nice day, subscribe to my channel, click like, and goodbye.